If you've ever wanted to see how many hours you've spent on Steam, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to view your total Steam hours played, both for a single game and for your full game library. This is perfect if you want to check your most played games, keep track of your gaming time, or just see exactly how much time has disappeared into your favorite titles. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, let's look at the fastest way to check playtime for one specific game. Open the Steam client on your computer and go to your library. In your library, click on any game that you've installed or played before. Once the game page opens, look toward the center of the screen, right next to the play button or the install button. Steam will display the total playtime for that game right there. This is the quickest way to see exactly how many hours you've spent on a single title without digging through menus. Now, if you want to view your playtime across all of your Steam games, there's a slightly different method. Steam does not currently give you one simple grand total number in the normal library view, but you can still see all of your played games in one place. To do that, click your profile name in the top right corner of Steam. From the menu that appears, select View My Profile. Once your profile page opens, look at the right-hand side and click the Games link. This will take you to a list of every game you've played on Steam, sorted by playtime. This games list is really useful because it shows you your most played titles first, which makes it easy to see where most of your time has gone. If you want to estimate your total Steam hours, you can review the list and add them up manually. It's not as instant as a built-in grand total, but it's the best way to check your overall play history using Steam's current tools. If your goal is just to satisfy your curiosity, compare your top games, or check how much time you've invested in a specific title, these two methods will cover everything you need. The single game view is the fastest, and the profile games page is the best option for seeing your full library activity. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot, and make sure you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to view total Steam hours played.